And Union Minister Jitendra Singh lauded Sunita's historic return to earth. Listen in.
हमारी ओर से भी सुबह 4 बजे बधाई का संदेश सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से चला गया है, जिसमें ये कहा गया कि ये एक ऐसा पल है जिसमें गौरव भी है, गर्व भी है और राहत भी। गौरव की अनुभूति, गर्व का एहसास और राहत की संतुष्टि।
Space girl Sunita Williams has returned to Earth after a 287-day extended space sojourn. Williams' roots in India hail from Julasan village in Gujarat, as it was once home to her father and to her grandparents. Her tiny village has a population of roughly 7,000 people, who are proud of the fact that the astronaut has a connection to their village. Sunita Williams was born on the 19th of September 1965 in Ohio to Deepak Pandya and Bonnie Pandya. Her father Deepak was a neuroscientist from Gujarat, had migrated to USA in 1957, where he met Sunita's mother. Her ancestral village celebrated her homecoming with Diwali-like festivities. Prime Minister Modi has hailed the NASA astronaut Sunita Williams, calling her a trailblazer and an icon. He congratulated her on her return. We earlier spoke exclusively with Sunita's mother and her sister-in-law. Listen in.
What'd she say?
Conversation between you and Sunny about her becoming an astronaut growing up.
Oh, well, she didn't want to be an astronaut at first. She was going to be a veterinarian. But the way it turned out, she went to the Naval Academy, and one thing led to another, and she became an astronaut. So, we just talked about it, and I said, do what you like. You're going to be doing this for a long time. So that's what she did. It feels very good. I'm so thrilled that so many people are following her career and her adventure in space. And, she's a good role model for everybody. And the kids especially, they all love her. I support her in everything that she's done so far, and I'm just proud of her.
All right, joining me now live from New Jersey is Falguni Pandya. She's Sunita Williams' sister-in-law. Falguni, thank you for coming in. All right, all dressed up in Indian wear. I believe you're at a temple, and I must tell you and the family that she may be family to you, but here in India, everyone has felt and believed that she's as much an Indian girl and an Indian family and an Indian space girl returning to Earth. How's the mood for the family there in New Jersey for you?
So we are in New Jersey. She has family spread out throughout the United States. We all are very connected on message groups, WhatsApp groups. Everyone is very excited. For my family, we decided to come to the temple as we had planned on doing that. After she lands, we were going to come here, and I'm very happy to be expressing my gratitude to Bhagwan Ji for having everything go as planned safely. And I am joined by Pandit Ji and Bhabhi Ji. Pandit Ji is also a third cousin of Sunny Williams, and he has been an integral part of the family. He calls Sunny's dad Chacha as well. And Sunny has come to this temple many, many times. This is our family temple. So Pandit Ji has met Sunny.
About Sunita Williams, who you've known personally, about the woman, because it takes a lot of resilience to indulge in this mission, to go into space, be there, not knowing when to return. Does she have a certain resilience that you felt always set her apart from others?
Absolutely. I think that way she is unique and she is a role model. And it's very evident that despite of so many uncertainties, so many obstacles, she has always remained positive, which is very difficult to do. And especially in today's day and age when we all lose our sense of well-being when things don't go our way, and upcoming generation as well. I think she is particularly unique and very talented in the work she does as well as in her attitude.
Take a look at how Sunita Williams' ancestral village, Julasan in Gujarat, celebrated after her spectacular splashdown.
Sunita Williams has made new records in space, but her roots in India are celebrating her victory. And we are right now at Julasan, the village where the parents of Sunita Williams used to live once. And here is this old house where the family used to live in Julasan in Mehsana district of Gujarat. And you see that this house is abandoned. Nobody stays here now. But the people of the village, they look at this house and they bless Sunita as they move from here. And here we are seeing that this house was once used by the family of Sunita Williams. Her doctor father used to stay here. He studied here in his school days. Then he went for his studies to US. There are some ladies here who are blessing Sunita and they were praying for her return. Let's talk to them. ये बताएगा कि ये जो घर है इसको देख के आपको कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है.
उनकी वापसी के लिए आप लोग भगवान से प्रार्थना?
हाँ करी. सुख सलामत घर वापस आई जाए.
वो वापस
आवे फरी. एक वक्त आएगी और बीजी बार आवे.
दोबारा से आना है.
हाँ दोबारा से आना.
तो जब आप इस घर से निकलते हो तो उनको दुआ देते हो?
हाँ.
आपकी गांव की बेटी
રોજે ને કરવાનું. સોજે સવારે 2 ટોણા ને કરવાનું. 2 ટોણા એના ઘર બાજુ જોવાનું, દેખવાનું કે એનું ઘર સુખ સલામત છે. પણ ઘર જોવા માટે નહીં આવી, ઘર દેખવા માટે નહીં આવી સુનિતા વિલિયમ.
These villagers, they've been praying for her return to earth, and when she's back, they want her to come and have a conversation with them, share her experiences with them, so that they can also know what all she faced while she was on space, and reconnect with these villagers who have been praying for her, who've been blessing her, who've been taking pride in the fact that Sunita Williams belongs to this village in India. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Krishan Kumar for India Today from Mehsana. The mood is very evident in the pictures and the music, the loud sound of the dhol here in Mehsana, Julasan, where people are celebrating, and these celebrations are continuing since morning. You see, the people of Mehsana, they had already prepared to celebrate Diwali right after the Holi festival. They are so hopeful that she will visit them as soon as she recovers well, and this celebration will continue through the day today. There have been certain prayers, certain havans that have been planned in Julasan today in the ancient ancestral temples. So all this is happening today. Everybody is elated, joyful, and they all connect to Sunita Williams as their own daughter, daughter of India, daughter of Mehsana.